What's up, everyone? This is the Real Mark Cruz, and I'm here to keep it real with you on the things that matter the most, like your money, your mind, and of course, your time. But before we get started, I always have to say I am not a financial advisor. I am just some dude on the internet. Everything that you see here is for entertainment and educational purposes only. All right, so now with all that out of the way, today I actually wanted to talk about a different stock that I don't think I've spoken about on this channel, and if I did, I don't recall. But today I actually wanted to talk about more or less a blue chip stock that most of you guys have heard of, and it's Walmart, right? And Walmart is expected to have its earnings on the 17th. So by the time you guys see this, it'll be today, I assume. But yeah, there's some great news that's coming out if you're into that and if you're looking for some ways to diversify your portfolio or anything like that. But there's actually one big thing that I actually wanted to talk about. And it seems, if this news that just came out is to be believed, it seems that Walmart is looking into getting into crypto. So let's just get right into it, guys. All right. So as you can see here, let's first talk about the earnings, right? Walmart is expected to report their earnings on the 17th, like I said. So the way that it looks now, the stock was lagging behind the S&P 500 for quite some time, up until I want to say about March. We'll pull up Webull right now because I just wanted to make sure. Yeah, so you can see up until about, because we had a, oops, sorry, this is the minute one. So you can see here around March 4th, that was like essentially the bottom of this bear run that we had going on there, and it's been sort of on an upswing ever since then. At this time the low was about 126.28, and at the time of this recording it's about 150 and 66 cents. So yeah, it's actually been doing good over these past few days. It's had a nice little jump, and people were a little curious as to why, right? Of course, this might be like a buy the rumor, sell the news type thing, but check this out, guys. So as you can see here, yeah, coming back to this news piece on Yahoo Finance, which again, as always, I'll put the links in the description below. The sentiment is that, even though shares are up, they're expecting, in essence, that the call might be a little bit mute, in the sense that there's a lot of fears over the new wave of the pandemic, right? So it seems like their earnings might be affected moving forward. Like if they're giving any sort of information as to what to expect in the next quarter, it seems like financially they're expecting a little bit of a dip because back to school might be jeopardized in certain parts of the U.S. But at the same time, right now, in terms of where they're going and in terms of what they're looking into doing, ironically, they've also seen an upswing up until this point. So here is the news that I wanted to talk to you guys about. Check this out. So this is on Markets Insider, right? And it says Walmart is looking to hire someone to lead crypto and digital currency just weeks after Amazon posted a similar job offering, right? And as you guys know from that thing, right? That news came out right before, a big Amazon move. And then once the earnings came out, they were like, we're thinking about it, but not right now, So that definitely was, buy the rumor, sell the news type of event. This seems a little more concrete, but this could easily be one of those things too, right? So check this out. It says Walmart wants to recruit a senior director to drive its cryptocurrency product and investment strategy. The retail giant is looking for an expert in digital currencies and blockchain with 10 years of product-related experience. So if that's you, maybe you should apply. Definitely not me, but if that's you guys, go for it. In July, Amazon began seeking someone to head up its digital currency and blockchain initiatives, which we did speak about in a previous video. But it says the job posting itself, which I guess we can see here. Let's pull that up. Oh, no, that's an Amazon one. Okay, never mind. So it says that the digital currency, cryptocurrency lead will be responsible for developing Walmart's digital strategy, the company said in the job description, noting that it enables a broad set of payment options for its customers. So to understand how big this is, check this part out. It says the new senior director will also take charge of crypto-related investments and partnerships for Walmart, the biggest retailer in the world with over $555 billion in sales last year. So essentially they're not specifically saying what this job will entail. They're only giving, a brief overview, right? But it looks like Walmart is definitely looking into dipping their toes into the crypto space, whether that means, if they're looking for somebody to help them in their own investments from the business side, if they're looking for somebody who's, looking into who's familiar with partnerships or anything like that. Maybe that's a void that they're trying to fill. I don't know if this is going as far as the Amazon rumor was, in the sense that they were potentially thinking about coming up with their own coin. I don't know if they would, but they are one of the biggest retailers in the entire world. So if they did, it wouldn't surprise me. But I see it like this, and it's similar to what I said in the Amazon video. If Walmart themselves decides to say, hey, tomorrow we're going to start to, accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, whatever, right? What that would do is that would open up not only a whole new demo for crypto as a whole, you're going to get a lot more people who've probably never heard of any of this stuff. A lot of older people, a lot of people who are just maybe not in tune with what, Bitcoin is or any of that stuff. They're going to see it more widely in their face, more so than they see in the news. If you're going to the store and let's say there's some sort of perk, that they're saying, hey, if you, pay for your things with Bitcoin, you can get some kind of points back or some rewards or whatever, right? I think it's going to open up a whole new world of people getting into crypto, because again, this is a whole new demo for anybody that is familiar with crypto as a whole. So I think, assuming that this becomes a big thing, this could be huge. And hold on, let me scroll down because this food is making me hungry. I keep seeing the ad there. But yeah, so I think, guys, if this is a real thing, right? Definitely it is a play that if you're into the Walmart stock, is something you should look into. For me, I think I have it in one of my 401k or retirement accounts. I'm not sure. I have to check those because I haven't looked at any of those recently. I've essentially been focused a lot on the market, in terms of what it's been doing now, not anything long term. But yeah, I definitely believe I have some shares. I have to double check that. I'm not sure. But as a long-term play, yeah, this could be great. This is a long outlook, assuming that they're looking to really take this seriously. This could have really big positive impacts all over the crypto space. So it's definitely something that if you're into this stock or anything crypto related, this could be a great thing. The only thing that I found that was kind of fishy, I guess, was the timing that this came out. Essentially, what was this? I think this morning as I'm recording this. Yeah, so it came out August 16th today at 10:57 a.m. So like I said, by the time you guys are seeing this, it's probably the earnings call day, So yeah, definitely this is something that, like I said, if you're into this, you should definitely look into it. All right, guys, I just wanted to share this quick little information with you guys. It's something that whether you're in the stock right now or you're looking for a new, long-term blue chip type stock to get into, Walmart, it could be a potentially good play if that's a thing that you're into, even in terms of the crypto world. If they're really looking into getting into the crypto space, this could be a phenomenal play in the long term. So yeah. Definitely let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Do you think they're just going to accept crypto as a form of payment? Do you think they're looking into getting into partnerships? Or do you think they're looking into creating their own coin too? Who knows? But let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear, okay? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, share this with someone who might benefit from this information. And with all that being said, keep your heads bright, your wallets tight, and grab your dreams like it's your right, my friends. Peace.